Look, if you're a business owner or an operational leader, you already know the truth. Your data is the absolute lifeblood of your company. But let's be totally honest for a second. Actually managing all that information, keeping it locked down, and making sure it's actually useful, well, that can feel like a second full-time job. Today, we're going to unpack exactly how Astra transforms your data infrastructure from a daily, frustrating headache into a streamlined, high-performance engine that literally drives your business forward.
So, I want you to think about the sheer volume of data your modern business generates every single day. We're talking customer records, sales transactions, inventory updates, employee logs. It is relentless. And without expert help, managing this absolute mountain of information can be incredibly stressful. You might be experiencing sluggish loading times, pulling inconsistent reports, or carrying around that constant nagging worry of a security breach. If your team is spending more time fighting with messy spreadsheets and waiting for queries to load than they are actually serving your clients, your data is working against you. Astra is here to flip that script completely.